What is Trust Center Settings in Microsoft Access? Trust Center Settings is the security control center in Microsoft Access and all Office programs. It manages enabling or disabling VBA code, allowing or blocking macros, allowing or restricting untrusted files, security warning messages, trusted locations, safe paths, privacy and protection settings. In simple words, Trust Center Settings decides whether Access should run your code or block it, trust the file or show security warnings, allow forms, queries, and modules to run normally. Most important part, trusted locations. If you put your Access file in a trusted location, Access will run all code without any security warnings. Common uses of Trust Center: when building a full Access program, when using protection or security code, when you want to remove the security warning banner, when opening a file from another device, and Access says it's untrusted. If you want, I can translate the best security settings for your Access program into English as well.